Ayos na kuya.
Tukayo, wala ka niyan.
0-1.
Rebound. Rescue ball. Mark dribbling the ball. Number 1. Teardrop. Wala. Rebound by Tukayo. Mark ang fast break. Isa. Nagpilikat pa sa likod. Larry dribbling the ball, side step, foul, counted! Counted foul. Number 1, GRSP 2 personal. First shot, wala. Rebound by Jeff. Binigay mo, sinagsak. Foul. From EJ.
Parating yung 5.
Darwin fade away. 2 points. Michael dumidiskarte. Wait for 3. Silman, dribbling the ball. Nice shot. 2 points sila. Oops! Coach! Yung video. Number 48, side step, another 3. Wala. Rebound niya pa rin. Akalain mo, binigay kay Tukayo. GRSP. Ayan, wala si Michael. Wala ng dalawang isip. Okay. Binigay kay Alan. Power half. 2 points. Mark, mag-isa lang niya. 1 versus 4. Kaya ko yan. Kaya ko yan. By EJ. EJ, second personal foul. Ano yan?
Light here. Not too much.
Efren. Michael. Wala na naman. Rebound ni Michael. Hindi discuss naman yung Tomas. 49 pass. Efren. And number 14, EJ. Binigay kay Mike. Mike, 3 points back. 3 points back. Pala talaga. EJ. Pang-black Mike. Gamit na rin mo. Hoy, 1,722. Ay, wow. Stop. Cross over. Foul.
Magulo.
Mike. Off night po si Michael ngayon. Mike, kailangan mag-press ng malayo. EJ. Binigay Mike. Mike lang! Tukayo, wala. Rebound by number 27 dribbling the ball. Binaba. Sinalaksak. Rebound number 48. Going for the fast break. Efren mag-isa. Pineke. Using the ball. Wala. Rebound by 1,722. Karin dribbling the ball. Wala. Rebound number 48. The 3 people. Fire to rescue. Greenfield, pinball. The game is tied. 8-all. Darwin intercepted by number 48, dribbling the ball from down. Crossover going for three. Airball. Ball on the team rescue. Darwin, 3 points, wala. EJ, rebound the ball. Binigay kay JRSP, Tuwing Scott, binigay kay 48, going down. Pinasa kay Michael, wala pa rin. Wala pa rin siya, Michael, off next, Michael. Binigay kay Michael, binigay tayo sa binigay kay JRSP, tinrap, oy, nako, Mark away to the baseline. Pinasa sa As. That pass, 1,792. Wala pa rin. Fast break. Number 48. Oy! Gulat. Nagulat si...
Uy, sarap na lang. Ano paitan? Sinigang. Mamaya yan sa...
Milos. Sumalaksak. Binigay kay Efren. Moving the ball, pinahanap ng pasa. Binigay kay EJ for 2. Wala. Rebound. Outside.
Ako nag-design mo sa WhatsApp mo.
Field goals ni Michael 0-11. Intercept. Score 8-all pa rin. Walang nababago. Number 1, going for the turn, Darwin, pinasa pa talikod. Number 1, going for 3 points. By number 1, Team Rescue. Score 11-8. Michael. Kinakapa ang bola. Mike, EJ, binigay kay Michael. He scattered, going for, pinasa kay EJ for 3. Rebound by Darwin. 1,752. Number 1. Offensive foul. Offensive foul, number 1. EJ. Milos 48 going for 3. Score 11-all. Darwin Punico, fade away. Rebound by number 48. Really Scarpe, going for 3 from labas. 3! Back-to-back 3 points. Giving the ball. Number 1, pinasa kay 1,722 for 2. Wow.
Isa lang.
Michael,
Ayan.
dribbling the ball. 23, 10 seconds shot clock.
10 seconds time remaining.
10 seconds shot, 8 seconds time remaining. For 3 days. Oh, big na. JRSP. 2, 1. Score 14-13 in favor of Team Grace.
Stone, sakto na ng dalaran. Ayun ka lang, manap. Ayos lang. Well, Stone, balik ako kayo sa apat na kayo.
Start of second quarter in favor of Team Grace. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Pumaharap na papisan. Bigay kay number 30, going for the slash. Number 20, hinanap, pinasa back-to-back para intercepted. Pero nakuha pa rin for 2, wala. Rebound ba na go? Rebound na number 30, number 29 for TC, 2 points. Number 2, dribbling the ball. Commissioner for 2. Wala, short. Number 21, binigay ka number 30. 30, pinasang na number 29. Wala, rebound by Rico. Rico intercepted. Pero nakuha pa rin. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Pinababa. Binigay kay Jolo. Number 12, going for 2. Wala. Number 27, intercepted by Jolo. Number 12. Number 12, binigay 24 for the lefty. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Number 18, binigay kay number 20. Binigay kay number 27. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Tumira ng 2 points. Lumabas. Number 24 by the rebound. 24, dribbling the ball. Power hop. Binigay kay number 12, another 2. Wala pa rin. Rebound by 24, another 2 points for number 24. Team Rescue. Ilaman pa rin ang Team Grace.
Mike! Wala, hindi ka makashoot.
27, binigay kay number 30. Pinilabas. Coach Rico intercepted. Going for the prospect. Binigay pa rin, nice pass. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 27. Number 30, binaba. Sinalaksa. Binigay kay number 5. Number 5, power move foul by number 1. Time remaining 7 minutes and 50 seconds. In favor of Team Grace. Laban pa rin ang Team Grace ng isa.
First shot.
No good.
Easy na yun. One lang yan. Isa, zero one.
Second shot. Pasok.
Una, salang. Ay, una, salang. Una, salang.
Number 2, Coach Rico, dribbling the ball. Number 1, binigay Garcia, Jolo. Yeah, number 24, Sakuragi. Oh, pinomba pa. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin ni number 24. Sakuragi pa rin, diniskarte. Inaarap ang kakampi. Binigay kay Commissioner 2. Bago kasi ang sapatos. Number 27.
Kasi, 10 points na.
Number 7, Maramba, number 29. Binigay kay number 30, going for the baseline. Black na number 1. Rebound, number 9, binigay sa labas. Intercepted by Commissioner. Pinababa. Umikot, tumiritso. Using the ball. 2 points.
Kasi, 10 points na.
Number 27 coming on the ball. Number 27 going for 2 points. Wow. Rebound pa rin niya. Going for the baseline. Nilabas. Kaya number 20. Sumalaksak. Palit sa foul. Second personal foul ang number 24 ang foul. 24 ang foul. Second personal foul pa rin ang number 24. Second team foul. First shot, number 20. Wala. Score pa rin natin, 16-20 in favor of Team Rescue. Second shot, number 20. Wala pa rin. Rebound, number 18. Kaso, stepping. So, bola ng Team Rescue. Coach Rico dribbling the ball. Binigay ka po sa kulang ito ng aliyom. Walang sa pa rin na ball. Rebound number 20. Number 29 for the fast with 30. Easy 2 points. Oh! Nagbakasyon na si Jolo. Nakalimutan nyo na. Intercepted, Coach Rico, Coach Rico, Coach Rico, what a pass! Alain what? Number 29, Maramba dribbling the ball. Number 20, Maramba, number 18. Number 18 becomes high post. Number 20, pinapak using the body. Papa using the body to turn around. Black shot, number 1, black shot, number 1. That's a foul! Number 1, second personal foul. Third team foul. Free throw line again, number 20. First shot is good. Time remaining 4 minutes and 13 seconds.
Paano yung ano yung gusto rin ng reserve time? Tamat. Sabi mo kasi reserve time mo. Sabi mo, tayo. Ano, time out kayo dito? Time out kayo dito? Oh, hindi rin pwede.
Lamang ang point ang team rescued, 22 and Grace is 18. Time remaining 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
20 seconds na.
Ito yung ano, pag nalabat ulit. Ganun din, binasa ko din ako.
Kaya pala ang bagal ko nila.
Fourth quarter kasi yun. Hindi sa inyo kasi fourth quarter stop.
First shot, number Garcia. First shot, wala. Hindi naawa.
Official score. Official score.
Official score 22-18 in favor of Team Rescue. First shot is good.
May free throw kami. 23-18. May free throw kami.
Oh, yun ka.
23-18.
Count yun.
Pinag sa baba, 27 Pinagyo, ni-reverse, what a shot! Underneath shot, alayo. Jolo number 12. Jolo, pinasok, mag-isa na. Uy, Pinagyo, pinagyo sa kuragi, 2 points! Number 27,
Yes, nila.
dribbling the ball. Intercepted Jolo. Coach Rico for the fast break. Easy 2 points. Score 27-20 in favor of Team Grace. Maramba number 13. Wala. Rebound out. Tinap ng number 7. Jolo rebound. Jolo binigay for Coach Rico again. Another fast break. Binigay ka sa Kuragi. Reverse foul.
Pinasa pa. Pinasa pa eh. Ito sino? Wala.
Pagbigay si Coach Rico.
I-announce mo ang tumo.
Box mo ka.
Second shot sa Kuragi. Malakas. Entering. Intercepted number 1. Oh, nice pass. Easy pass back for the power. Timeout. Team Grace.
21-27.
Calling the attention of Richard Draganas. Richard Draganas. Calling the attention of Richard Draganas.
Mag-announce ka daw ko. Magsalita ka na kahit ano.
Daddy!
Back to the ball game. Ito, number 12, Jolo. Second free throw for Jolo. Binababa ni Magamba. Binababa ni mga pinasa sa number 30. Smooth! By number 30. Coach Rico nagdadala ng bola. Nasa kay Jolo! Jolo! "30 seconds, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Number 30, tinira. Bang, bang! Score po natin 26 by Grace, 31 by Rescue. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Coach Rico. End of the second quarter.
Ako pa, ano, wala lang ako beses. Ano, tama.
Score po natin Grace 26, Rescue 31.
Ah, dito.
Ayos naman. Alam ko lang ako.
Dito.
Ganda nga ito. Alam niya.
Shoutout nga pala sa aking coach, Coach Kiko.
Pero tama siya dyan. Kaya ano mo lang ako?
Saglit lang.
Pang-place lang natin.
Ako nakaupo yun. Nararamdaman ko yung ano. Walang isip. Nararamdaman ko yung
Ano yung sa atin? Wala, ano sa score?
T-shirt score natin 27 by Grace, 31 Rescue. Back to the pool. Back to the ball game. Start of the third quarter.
Binabati kita, ang ganda naman sigaw ko sa'yo, ha? Ay, bias eh. Let's go!
Score po natin Grace 27, Rescue 31.
Lalo din sila.
Bola po ng Rescue.
Bye, guys. Example dito ulit. Fast na sa iko.
Starting the third quarter, bola pa rin ang Rescue. Bro Darwin, pinasa kay Dwin. Dala ng bola din, Bro Darwin, Biliscate, pinasa kay Ramos. Pinasa, number 24. Bola po ng Grace. Bro Mike, magdadala, Magamba, Tingila, bang bang, bang bang! Number 1, pinasa sa 24, pinasa sa number 1. Pinasa kay Bro Darwin, umikot si Bro Darwin. Rebound by Mangamba. Bromite umakatake. Pinasa. Wala ulit na last game. Score po natin, Grace 30, Rescue 31. Isa lang po ang kalamangan ng Rescue. Number 01, nagdadala. Pinasa. Out of bounds. Bola po muli ng Grace. Bromite nagdadala. Hahanapan. Number 48. Sinidiskarte. Tinira. Rebound by Boy Darwin. Bumalik. Number 48. To number 30. Foul. Foul by number 7. 2 free throws by number 13. One more free throw for number 30. Score po natin, all na. Grace 31, Rescue 31. Dadala, number 1. Pinas na number 7. Steal by number 20. Bromite nagdadala. Pinas na number 20. Rebound pa rin niya. Basket by number 20. Grace 33, Rescue 31. Bola na Rescue. Balak bumawi. Juan. Tumira ng 3. Bente! Score po natin, Rescue 34, Grace 33. Number 40, tumira. Rebound by Boy Darwin. Bola pa rin po ng Rescue. Number 1, nagdadala. Number 1, dumidiskarte. Miscommunication. Bola po ng Grace. Score po ulit natin. Grace 33, Rescue 34. Number 30, Liga. Walang nakasaan. Nakuha ni Edwin. Pinasa number 1. Umatake. Pinasa number 7. Oh, pumasok number 24. Still by number Bro Darwin. Didiskarte. Umikot na naman. Rebound by number 24. Rebound by Bro Darwin. Number 7, RJ. Wala. Wow. 3 seconds. Foul. And number 23. Score po natin, Rescue 36, Grace 33. Committee time. Substitution, number 8.
Injury po yan. Wala na po tayo.
Ay, tulungan na lang po mga kapatid.
Third quarter, wala siya ba? Siguro injury yun. Third quarter ba hindi?
Hanggang third.
Bola po ulit na. Rescue. Nasa number 24. Diskarte. Trapini without passport. Marambag. Nasa number 20. Pinalik kay Steph Curry ng Wi-Fi. Pinasa kay Marambag. Tumira. Ebo. Score po natin, Rescue 36, Grace 33.
Number 1, nagdadala ng bola. Pinas si number 24. Double dribble. Time out by Rescue. Official score for natin, 36 for Rescue. Grace, 33.
Third quarter. Hindi pa inakasa eh.
Remaining time po natin, 4 minutes and 44 seconds.
Hindi nga naman sinyo, no? Hindi ko may
Back to the ball game! Bro Mike nagdadala. Nasa kay number 20. Umidiskarte. Pinasa number 20. Tumira. Riba. Number 1. Pinasa kay Dwayne. Hindi nahabol. Bola ulit ng Grace. Time po natin, 4 minutes, 20 seconds. Romek, nagdadala. Nasa kay Maramba. Tumira ng 3. 20! Score po natin, all 36. The 24, nag-aat ang papasahan. Pinalik si number 1. Miskarte. Basket! Time out by Grace!
Hindi ka manilang, naman sir. Naman kami. Naman kami.
Check lang po natin yung score. Official score po natin, Rescue 38, Grace 36. Lamang po ang 38. To the ball game. Romek, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa number 30. Number 30, pinasa kay Romek. Romek, tumira ng 3. Same ball. Bola pa rin po ng Grace.
Ay ba? Nung i-zoomin mo. Ay ba?
FM, pinasa number 30. Number 30. Kuha ni Bro Darwin. Bro Darwin, umatake. Grabe yun. Bro Darwin. Steal by number 01. Time po natin, 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Lamang po ang Rescue, 40 by 36. Number 7, umatake. Foul by number 24. Score po natin, Rescue 40, Grace 36. Time po natin, 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Bro Mike, nagdadala, pinasahan. Number 20, duminis natin. Grabe naman yun, 24, rebound. Umatake. Pinasa kay Adwin. Adwin tumira. Rebound pa kayo ng 24. Basket. Number 24. Efren duminis natin. Foul by number 24. Third personal foul for number 24. Third team foul. Go Mike, tumira. Rebound ni Maramba. Maramba tumira ulit. Rebound by Bro Bro Darwin, dumidiskarte. Bro Darwin, dumidiskarte. Araro by Bro Darwin. Score po natin, rescued 44, Grace 36. Walo na po ang kalamangan ng rescued. Number 30, may hawak ng bola. Screen by Efren. Maramba. Maramba kumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound by number 24, umatake. Umatake. Grabe yun. Number 24. 10 na po ang kalamangan.
Wala na tayo, ma.
Score po natin, 46-36.
Alam mo, ha?
Maramba. Tumira ulit ng tres, sumubok. Wala. Number 24, umatake. Number 24. Pinasa. Bro Darwin. Grabe yun. Score po natin, rescued 48, Grace 36. 12 na po ang kalamangan ng rescue. Last 47 seconds for the third quarter. Number 30 na ang bola. Balak bumawi. Pinasa kay Efren. Efren, tumira. Basket. Score. 10 na lang po. 48-38. Number 1. Pinasa kay Green. Green, tumira. Sumubok. Patay ang butige. Bomay. Pinasa kay Maramba. Nice break. Maramba muli. Pass. Score po natin. Rescued 48. Grace 14. 14 seconds ang nalalabi sa third quarter. Maramba ang free throw. First try. First attempt. Pass by Maramba.
Only shot lang.
Nice D. Score po natin, rescued 48, Grace 41. Dito na lang po ang kalamangan. 6 seconds ang nalalabi, 6 seconds. Stepping on the line by number 1. Bola po muli ng Grace. Last 6 seconds sa ating third quarter. Bumabay. Number 30, tumina. Rebound ni Maramba. And the third quarter. Score po natin. Official score. Rescued 48. Grace 41.
Kuya, tawagin ako na malang. Ha? CR. I-space bar mo lang.
Start fourth quarter. Score po natin. Rescued 48. Grace 41.
Talagang favorite.
Bola po ng Grace. Nasa kay J at SP. J at SP. Pinasa number 30. Number 30. Pinasa kay number 48. Maramba. Kumira. Grabe. Rebound by Bro Jolo. Fresh from the Philippines. Ganyan lang. Maramba. Maramba versus Jolo. Maramba versus Jolo. Foul by Jolo. Bola pa rin po ng Grace. Maramba, may hawak ng bola. Umistarte, tumira.
7 minutes, may isa pa po.
Score po natin, Rescue 48, Grace 43. 5 na lang po ang kalamangan ng Rescue. Coach Rico nagdadala ng bola, pinasa, tumira. Rebound by Brojolo. Brojolo nag-iisip kung atake, pinasa, number 24. Binalik kay Brojolo, Brojolo, tumira, basket! 8 minutes and 43 seconds. JRSP nagdala ng bola. Agad ng papasahan, number 48. Gustong bumawi, basket! Apat na lang po ang kalamangan ng Rescue. Apat na lang po. Coach Rico, pinasa kay Brojolo. Tumira na naman. Rebound by number 1, tumira. By number 30.
Sino taon?
2 free throws for number 1.
30.
Garcia.
Only gonna take a sip.
Basket. First attempt. Second free throw by number 1.
Your iPad.
Rebound by Brojolo. Nakuha ni Coach Rico. Coach Rico. Umatake Coach Rico. Pinasa kay Commissioner. Commissioner. Pwede! Score po natin. 53-46 in favor of Rescue. Number 14, Tumia. Wala. Rebound by number 1. Coach Rico nagdadala ng bola.
Deadpool, subs. Deadpool subs.
Number 1, rebound by number 24, pinali pa. Rebound by Naramba. Naramba umatake. Pinasa number 30, wala. Rebound by Brojolo. Inspired si Brojolo. Talaga para may tabaho. Tumira, pinasa sa number 1. Wala, bro SP. SP nagdala ng bola, pinasa kay Naramba. Naramba. Pass. Wala po. Okay. Score po natin. Rescue 53. Sampo kay Bromart. Second free throw by Maramba. Basket. 1 point. Score po natin, Rescue 53, Grace 47, 6 na lang po ang kalamangan ng Rescue. Commissioner nagdadala ng bola. Nasa kay Coach Rico. Coach Rico tumira ng 3. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. Pinasa kay number 30. Number 30 nagdadala ng upside. Maramba. Pinasa kay Commissioner. Commissioner. Pinasa kay number 24. Basket! Rescued 55, Grace 47, 5 minutes and 48 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Number 27, diniskarte. Basket! 6 pa rin po ang kalamangan ng Rescued. Ang Brojolo nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa ay Coach Rico. Coach Rico. Next na number 24. Commissioner. Number 1. Basket. Easy basket. 57-49 in favor of Rescue. Number 30. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa number 27. 27. Number 48. Pinakang bola. 20. 27, na rebound.
Isad na kayo. Sakaraji. Naman ang pahinga.
Foul. Third personal by Jolo. 13 foul.
Pasok.
Score po natin. Let's 27. Grace,
Wala kang mabigat na ko eh.
50. Ito po ang kalamangan. Pito ang inahabol ng Grace.
Pero paano magdadaan? Ang dami na.
Number 27 on the line. Tumira. Basket. 2-3. Anim na lang po ang kalamangan. Anim. Coach Rico may hawak ng bola. Binigay sa number 24. Binalik kay number 1. Coach Rico. Tumira ng 3. Bente! Tada by Grace. Official score. Rescued. 60. Grace. 52. Walo na po ang kalamangan ng rescued. Time po natin. 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Isang timeout na lang po ang Grace. Ang rescue may dalawang timeout pa. Back to the ball game. 20, dadang ng bola. Pinasa kay number 48. Efren, humibis natin. Foul. By number 1. Third personal foul by number 1. Running for penalty na po rescue. Penalty by rescue. Penalty na po rescue. Penalty.
Number 1.
Tumira si Miramba. Second free throw by Miramba. Basket. Back-to-back free throw. Anim na lang po ang lamang ng rescue. Number 1. Pinababa ang bola. Number 1. Castellan. Hello. Number 1 may ang bola. Number 1. Rapidly without passport. Bola pumuli ng Grace. Efren nagdadala ng bola. Nasa number 20. 27. Tumira. Number 24. Nalibang number 24. Pinasa kay Paring Jolo. Paring Jolo. Wakali. Cochigo. Nakuha niya number 20. Number 48. Pinasa kay Efren. Efren. Tumira. Foul. Time out by rescue. Only 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in fourth quarter. Both teams are in penalty. Score po natin, rescued 60. Grace Pickett. No more timeouts na po kayong lahat. Isang timeout for both teams. Back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Para sa ating second game. Samang po ang rescue ng anim. Substitution daw. Number 20. Miss sa kanyang first free throw. Second attempt by number 20. Mira. Substitution. Number 30. Sub kay Bro Efren.
Uwi na ba kayo after?
5 na lang po ang kalamangan ng rescue. 5 na lang po. Bro Jolo nagdadala ng bola. Bro Jolo pinasa number 1. Number 1. Pinasa Coach Rico. Coach Rico. Steal by number 27. Maramba. Nagkaagit dito sa bola. Number 1 ang Maramba. Jumbo. Remaining time, 1 minute and 53 seconds. 5 pa rin po ang kalamangan ng Rescue, same ball. Coach Rico. Pinasa kay number 24. Pinasa kay Bro Jolo. 24 seconds shot at declaration. Bola po muli ng Grace. 5 na lang po ang kalamanan ng rescue. Number 30. Pinasa number 27. Number 20. Tumira na sa 48. Pwede! Grabe! Dalawa na lang po ang kalamanan ng rescue. 60 by 58. Coach Rico. Pinasa kay Bro Jolo. Pinasa number 24. Number 1. Pinasa number 1. Foul. Basket. No basket, no basket. Number 20. Counted. Counted. Basket. 62 by 58. Naman pa rin po ang rescue. One. Rebound ni Maramba. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Maramba, pinasa number 48. Tumira ng tres. Board. Balik sa bola ng rescue. 4 na lang po ang kalamanan ng rescue. Number 24. Pinasa number 1. Pinasa kay Coach Rico. Coach Rico, umatake. Pinasa kay Bro Darwin. Bro Darwin, basket! 58 seconds na lang po. Ang nalalabi, 62, 64, 58. Maramba. Foul.
Foul number 2. Foul number 2.
Foul by number 26. Penalty. 51 seconds. Basket. 64-59. Maramba, second attempt.
Yung one lang, tatlo.
Smooth. 2-3 to Bernardo. 64-60 in favor of rescue. Bro Darwin. Nakuha ka ni 48. 48. Leads started. Pinasa. 27. 48 ulit. Number 20. Tumira. Basket! Isa na lang po. Kalamanan ng rescue. Isa na lang po. Still. Bro Darwin. Foul.
Penalty.
Penalty. Hindi ba? 13 foul. 13 foul. 13 foul. 20. Isa na lang po ang kalamanan. Bola po ng rescue. Bro Darwin. Pinasa ay number 1. Number 1. Hasan Ben Maramba. Number 1. Agad na papasahan. Number 24. Number 24. 25 seconds ang natitira. Warning for penalty.
Isa pa tayo.
Warning for penalty na po ang Grace. 64-63.
Teka lang bro.
Nakuha na number 24. Nakuha na number 30. Umapakat. Laban mo na po, Grace. Grabe yun. 65-64 in favor of Grace with free throw. 19 seconds ang nalalabig. seconds. 19 seconds. Grabe ang hinabol ng Grace. Number 30. Saan bonus free throw? Rebound pa rin ng Grace. Grabe rin. Hindi pa rin ang bola. Number 28. Pinasa ang Maramba. Maramba. Time out. Time out. 10 seconds. 10 seconds on the fourth quarter. Grace, you have one more timeout. Score po natin, 65-64 in favor of Grace. Last 10 seconds. Grabe ang unity ng coach at Team Grace.
Dati hindi mo binibigyan.
Penalty! Maramba on the free throw line. Maramba sumusubok na maging dalawang kalamangan.
Nag-time out pa kami isa, no?
Basket! 66-64. Maramba, baalak galing ang tatlo. Papasok na ba? Basket! Last 10 seconds. 67-64 in favor of Grace. Tignan natin kung maipatabla ng ating rescue. Number 24, umatalit. Double dribble by number 24. Talaga in favor ng Grace. Number 30, ilalabas ang bola. Last 7 seconds. Last 7 seconds. Binabati ko pala sa pasantok. Foul by number 2, Coach Rico. Maramba ang free throw line. Sumusubok na gawing 4 ang kalamangan.
Sayang, dami niyo ano kanina.
Wala.
Number 29, second free throw attempt. Maramba,
Kain ng lamang nila kanina.
basket! 68-64, 4 po ang kalamangan ng Grace. Buwadawin, tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound na naman ng 7. And then, shake hands po tayo. Nice game. Maramba. Play of the game. Official score, Grace 68, Rescue 64. Nice game mga kapatid. Second, last game po natin, Wisdom versus The Wave.
Talo pa.
Wala din ako pati ng basta. Wala nila madali ka dito, ha?
sapatos yung Palano. Huwag ka lang puti.
Uwi na ba? Lakad pa. Baka maano nga.
Hindi na mabibilis na ito, mababagal.
Salabi tayo sa huli ng sinali ko. Oo.
My dad's gonna play. I'll see you.
Dami mo security dyan, no?
Last 31 seconds eh.
Hindi na po siya tumawag ka. Hindi, pero ano,
Ikaw pa naman sana date ko yung vlog eh.
kaya kuya. Kuya.
Uy, grabe. Pakita mo na yung pangalan. Dito, wisdom. Wisdom dito. Yan. Wait. Kabila, wisdom. Okay na, game. Labas dila. Okay na.
Mike! Kuya Mike!
Ako sir, ano lang.
First time, gitna na po tayo. Wista, last game, third game, Wista versus The Wave.
First fight.
First time, both teams, sa gitna na po tayo. Let's go!
Sige, kain ka muna.
Jump ball. Ayan, nakuha ng White. Number 20, pass to Skeet. Skeet dribbling the ball. Skeet, pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to Skeet. Back to number 20, Jumbo. To number 3 for 3. Yes, sir! By number 3. Number 1, pass to number 14, Capuno. Pass to number 91 for 3, wala. Rebound to number 3. Number 3, pass to number 20. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Number 3, pass to number 20. Number 20, tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 14. Number 14, lays. No good. And rebound pa rin ni number 10. Number 10, tumira ng dos. Wala pa rin. And nag-awawan sila ng bola. Number 3, pinapaba ang bola. Number 3, loose ball. Same ball. Number 3, pinasa na number 20. Number 20 to Skeet. Number 2. Skeet for 3. Yes, sir! Ang sweet naman nun! Pinababa ang bola. Well, pinasa kay number 91. Number 91, lays. Wala. Rebound ba number 40 na gawa ng bola? Same ball. Number 14, pinasa kay number 1. Giving the ball number 1 to number 91, Tapio. Number 17. Number 17, traveling violation. Number 20, binababa ang bola. Number 20, Luton. Number 20, pinasa na intercept ni number 14. Number 14, Garcia. Yes. Foul. Who's fouled? Number 20. Number 20, that is your first personal foul. First team foul, by the way. First throw, good. Second throw by Garcia. And good again. And number 3, bouncing the ball, pass to number 20. Number 20, binababa ang bola. Number 20, nagawa ng tape. Pasa kay Skeet. Skeet, number 2. Piniyok ako. Yeah, pinasa kay number 3. Yes, sir! Alas na ako na sa'yo. Number 1. White ball. Number 20, dribbling the ball. Number 20, naghanap ng pagpapasan. Number 20, nag-set ng screen sa Aaron Brown. Ay, pinasa kay Steve. Steve, nice pass! No good! Number 10, na-rebound. Ayan, binababa niya number 14. Number 14, umatake! No good! But there's a foul. Who's fouled? Number 20. Number 20, that is your second personal foul. Second team foul, by the way. First throw, good. Second throw, Garcia. Ayan, ang seat naman. Pasok ang dalawang tira ni number 14. Ayan, number 20, binababa ulit ang bola. Number 20, yan naman ang dalawang foul. Official score, 4-9 in favor of the way. Number 20, pinasa kay Skeet. Skeet, matake, supalpal. Na-rebound ni number 17, pinasa kay number 91. Number 91, and basket count. Who's fouled? Foul on number 3.
Number 3, that is your first personal foul. Third team foul, by the way.
By the way.
By the way.
Sakto lang.
Number 3, involving the ball. Pass to number 20. Number 20, ginababa ang bola. Number 20, crossover. Number 20, moving the ball. Number 20, pass to number 3. Number 3, the fake. Number 3, tumira ng dos. Wala. Pinapit ni number 14. Number 14, mabilis na pinapaba ang bola. Number 14, umatake. Yes, 4-2 by number 14. Garcia. Number 20, doing the ball. Number 20, Galanza. Galanza! Binagbag na. There's a foul. Is correct? Foul on number 91. Number 91. That is the first personal foul. First team foul. On Wisdom. First throw, no good. Second throw, official score, 8-9 in favor of the Wave. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 14, Garcia. Garcia, nice pass to number 31, number 91, wala. Rebound ni number 3. Pass to number 20, Galanza. Number 20, Galanza. Matake, wala. Rebound ni number 10, ang laki naman. Nasa ay number 14. No look pass to number 17, wala. Sayang. Na-rebound ni number 3 ng White. Nasa ay Lara, number 2, nice pass to number 20. Galanza, nakakuha. Sorry, traveling. Simon! The Wave! Official score, 8-9 in favor of the Wave.
Ano, sino ulit? Meron na po.
Ikaw ba kanin?
Ay, okay lang. Okay, pag ano, time out.
Back to the ball game. Inbound by number 91. Wisdom. Pass to number 1. Binababa ang bola. Number 1. Alley-oop. Binatouch. Sayang. Number 20. Dribbling the ball. Number 20. Dahan-dahan binababa ang bola. Ayan. Gano'n na po pa kasaan. Pinasa kay number 3. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni number 23. Wala. Ayan. Rebound ni Skid. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Capuno. No look pass to number 14. Lace. Yes. 4-2 by number 14 Garcia.
Alan, ano ba ba?
Skid. Giving the ball. Skid. Binabangka. Ang kanyang kalaban. Number 2. Intercept by number 14 Garcia. Number 14. Wala. Rebound pa rin na number 14. Yan, easy lang daw. Up. Number 91. Binalik kay number 1. Capuno. Capuno for 3. No good. Rebound by number 20. Galanza. Galanza. Oy, crossover. Bitawan ang bola. Pinasa kay number 2. Skid. Wide open. No good. Air ball. Official score, 10-9. Change table. Number 1, Capuno. Pass to Garcia. Pass to number 10. Reverse knees. Yes, for 2 by number 10. Galanza. Dahan-dahan binababa ang bola. Number 20. Number 20 dribbling the ball. Number 20, step back. Pinasa kay number 3. Skate, umatake. Floater, no good. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 1 to number 14. Behind the back pass to number 91. Nasa na naman doon. Yes, for 2 by number 91. Official score, 14-9 in favor of
Wisdom. Ayan, number 20. Number 20. Miscommunication. Ayan, bola ng Wisdom. Wisdom, fast break. Long pass to number 14. Lace, yes for 2. Ha? Tapos ka na kumain pa? Sige. Tapusin ko ng first one. Number 2. Ayan, time remaining, 45 seconds.
Hindi ko alam.
Number 14. Lace, yes for 2 by number 14. Number 2 inbounding the ball. Pass to number 20, binalik kay Nara. Skeet, number 2. Behind the back. Binangga si number 14. Nice pass. Nabitawan. Over, wala pa rin. Rebound to number 10. Pass to Papio, number 91. Time remaining 10 seconds. Garcia. 7. 5. 3. 2. 1. And the first quarter. Official score. 29 in favor of Wisdom.
Ayun na yung matinding announcer natin. Oo.
Hello.
Careful with this one. Parang third.
Yeah, well, second quarter. Official score, 20 against 9 in favor of Wisdom. Here on number 15 now, moving along. Number 15, stepping up lane. Passes to it, number 10. Passes to it, pass to number 24, second now. What up? Not rebound. Foul, who's fouled? Number 19, first personal down. First, three foul. Here on number 7, passes to it, number 77. Pass to number 27, pass to number 7, second now. Back to number 7, pass to number 77. Passes to it, pass for 3. Short, rebound to number 10. Pass to number 50 now. Number 50 now. Number 15 nagmamadali sa gitna, drop to number 19, napo, blanco ka ngayon. Foul, who's fouled? Number 7, first personal foul, second, team foul. No good. Rebound by number 7. Here on number 7, ang tama ng bola. Number 7, pass to it, number 27. Losing the ball. Nice stealing up. Pinas ka number 50 now. Number 50 now. Showing for the pass. Minister. Nagawang pa yung bola. Nabibigay number 27. Yeah, kami si number 27 na ang nakamadali. Number 27, pass to number 7. Pop. It's here on number 50 now, showing his dribbling. Number 50 now, secondly, passes to the number 10, cross for 3. Sumobra, wala. Now ibang D, pinaksa number 37 now. Number 37, papagaw, foul. Foul by number 99. First, personal foul. Second, team foul.
Ganda naman ang boss.
Here on number 77. Back to number 77. Pass to number 7. Fires for 3. Wala. Na-rebound. Number 50 now. Pass to number. Back to number 50 now. Ito na si number 50 now. Rumaraga sana. Number 50. Showing his move. Drive. Back to number 19. It's a traveling violation. Our score. 20 against 9 in favor of Wisdom. Number 25, foul. Who's fouled? Number 24. First personal foul. Third team foul, Wisdom. First one. No good. Get ready, jumpers.
Grabe pala yung sapatos eh. Kaya pala
Connect for 1 point. Our score, 28-10 in favor of Wisdom. Here now, number 50 now, bringing the ball. Number 15, pass to number 10, number 10, pass for Julie. Voila, now rebound to number 37. Number 27, now slowly dribbling. Number 27, looking for his teammate. Number 37, showing his dribbling now. Voila, check it now. Voila, now rebound to number 15 now. Number 15 now, number 15. Number 15. Voila, now rebound to number 19. Number 19 now. Number 19, pass to Mr. Lockback. Good at 40 points by Mr. Lockback. Here now, pass to number 16, pass to number 29, 25 now, number 25, pass to number 27 now, pass to number 7, second now, one over there, rebound number 7, losing his body, well, who's for it? Number 24, second personal foul, 1 for penalty, Wisdom. Number 7 now on the line. First throw. Connect for 1 point. Now this is it. Get ready, jumpers. No good. Ready for play number 24. Pinaksakan ni Sir Obama. Shots to number 15 now. Number 15 now. Umakatake na si number 15. Pass to number 24. Asin na wala ba? Wala. Naribo ni number 27. Nakuha ni number 15 now. Number 15 now. Pass for 3. Short. Round on by number 10. Pass to Stevie. Number 15 now. Number 15. New step. One over in. Naribo ni asin na wala ba? Sa gitna. One over in. Naribo ni number 27. To something on the road. Great defense by number 77. Here on number 50 now. Number 15, second number, pass to number 10, number 10, sinusubo man ni Grace. Pinasa number 15, pass for 3. Wala ba lang? Rebound by number 25 now. Ito na si number 25. Nagbagat nila sila. Number 25. Short. Rebound by Asin. Number 24. Pinasa number 15. Pinasa kay Mr. Lombang. Ito na si Mr. Lombang. Ang mga nila pinasa number 10. Pass to number 19. Lampas sa gitna. Wala ba rin? Pinasa kay number 25. Ito na si number 25. Sinusubukan ang batay. Ito number 7. Brown. Who's for it? Who's for it? Number 24. Holy foul. Yes, sir. Timeout, Rex.
Timeout daw.
Penalty. Timeout, Rex. Timeout. Coach, timeout. Wisdom. Our score. 22-13 in favor of Wisdom.
Grabe, champion mo rin. Okay ba?
Number 24 on sportsmanship. Number 24, third personal foul.
Sa time out, binigay mo. Pero kung time out, nag-demo ko. Kasi po, last at
Go, Donchi!
last
Back to the bowling. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 13 seconds before the end of our second quarter. Here on number 25 now, second na. Wala ba rin? Rebound by nakuha yung number 7, sinusubukan ng matay. Block to number 77, 5-4-3. Wala pa rin, rebound to number 10. Pinasa ka number 15, pass to number 24, action na wala pa. Rumara na sana. Wala pa rin, na-rebound number 77 na. Ito na sila number 7, pinasa ka number 27, number 11. Connect 40 points. By number 27, batang-bata ka sir. Here on number 50 now, may tama ng bola. Number 50 now, second away. Pass to number 99, Bosa. Mr. Longdon, guys, for 3. Wala, na-rebound sir. Nakuha number 25 now. Number 25 now, nagmamadali na si number 25. Wala, na-rebound. Yung number 15. Number 15 down. Who's forward? Number 27. First personnel down. Second team down. All the way. Here on Mr. Lombard. Mr. Lombard now down to Steven Asumaulaba. Brown. Bruce forward. Number 26. Number 16, number 16. First personnel down. Third team down. The way. Yeah, this is it. Get ready, jumpers. You're good. Rebound by number 8. Wow. Who's for it? Charge timeout. The way. Our score now 22 against 16 in favor of Wisdom. Who's on it? Number 15. First personal foul, penalty. Penalty. Sure.
Isa.
Get 30 jumpers. Connect for 1 point. Last 50 seconds. Here on number 50 now. Last 45 seconds. Last 20 seconds, number 10. Now for 3 points. Last 20 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds, number 7, Eastern move. Voila! Last 15 seconds. Number 15 ako nagmamadali na si number 15. Ubusin ako. Tato na work. Last 8, 7, 6, 5. Last 8 seconds. Sorry.
8 seconds, 8 seconds.
Last 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the end of our second quarter. We can score 25 against 20 in the favor of Wisdom.
Ang paborito ni Jack. Ganda ng laro ni Sir. Ang ganda ang kampanya. Hindi nag-maintain.
Pagod na, wala na.
Grabe si number 7.
Wala kami sabon.
Grabe yung number 7.
Nag-react lang ng
Sisi. Kahit taas yung ano.
Here on our third quarter. Here on number 20 now. Number 20 may takanang ball. Nagtaka sa press. Wala. Na-rebound na number 14 now. Pass to number 15. Slowly driven. Pinasa kay Jackson Smith. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 10. Number 10 pass to number. It's a 3 seconds violation. Here on number 1, points for 3. Wala, naribo ni Lara. Lara now. Lara, sinusubuan naman ang pinasa kay. Wala na rebound ni.
Wala.
Wisdom basketball. Here on number 50 now. Number 15, passes to number 10, fires for 3. Connect for 3 points. Our score, 28 against 20 in favor of Wisdom. Lara now, pinasa kay number 1. Number 1 now, nag-iisip ng papasahan. Pinasa kay number 1. Wala, narito, pinasa. Wala pa rin. Connect for 2 points. By number 23. Here on number 50 now, pass to number 10. Number 10, attacking sa basket. Wala, narito ni Lara. Eto na si Lara now. Napamadali na si Lara. Lara, yung basket. Wala pa rin. Narito ni number 1. Number 1, nagtaka sa press. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Simo. Here on number 22 now, 5 for 3. Wala, nariwan ni number 10. Pinasa ka number 10. Pinasa ka number 10. Libre. Connect with the points by number 15. Our score, 30 against 22 in favor of Wisdom. Here on number 20 now. Number 20, pass to number 1. Pass to Mr. Lara. Lara now, nagtaka sa press. Connect for 3 points by Mr. Lara. Here on number 50 now, pinasa ka number 10. Number 10, pinasa ka number 14. Nice play. Number 14, attacking the basket. Wala, narito pa rin ni Lara. Eto na si Lara. Lara, showing his dribbling. Pinasa ka number 1. Number 1 now. Nag-isip na papasahan. Number 1 now, pinasa ka number 20 now. Number 20 now. Nag-iisip ng gawin. Number 20 now. Pinasa kay Lara. 5 for 3. Shoot. Rebound ni number 20 now. Loose ball. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Before the end of our third quarter. Number 1 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 14 now. Number 14 now. Nakapakitang gilas. Down by number 1. First personal foul. First kick out. Here on number 50 now. Between. Pinasa kay number 6. Number 6 now. Nice steal. Number 23. Pinasa kay number 1. Here on number 1 now. Slow dribbling. Number 1 passes to Lara. Ita. Running violation. Here on number 15 between. Between now. Nagmamadali na si Dudon. Pinasa number 14. Barsha. Using the body. Basket out. Foul by number 1. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Away. Connect for 1 point. Official score 33 against 25 in favor of Wisdom. Here on number 20 now. Second away, number 20. Pinasa number 3. Pinasa number 1. Nagtaka sa press. Short. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 15. Number 15 now. Nagmamadali na si number 15 na naman. What a nice move. Grabe ba ni number 20? Here na si number 20 now. Number 20 pass to number 1. Number 1 using the board. Wala. Naribang ni number 3. Mr. Beans now. Eto na si Mr. Beans. Showing his mid-range. Connect Coach timeout. The way. Official score 35 against 25 in favor of Wisdom.
Pilawin na! Walang ba? Ikaw ang ano? Wala man lalo yung easy.
Ano, pwede kayo magsabi sa rin, nangingito kayo. Mayroon adjustment sa gilid, sir.
Nakaon ka pero...
Tira ng tira, labas na! Ang gulo ng bata! Naglalaro!
Back to the game. 2 minutes time, 1 minute and 52 seconds before the end of our third quarter. Yeah, number 20 now. Calling for the play, number 20 now. Number 20 on the field. Nice steal number 10. Pinasa number 14. Now, what a nice pass to number 15. Connect for 2 points by number 15. Here now, Lara. Lara now on the floor. Lara pass to number 1. Pass to number 3. Connect for 3 points. Here now number 15 now to 3. Pass to number 10. Number 10 now. Foul by number 20. Number 2 push it down. Number 2, first personal foul, 1 for penalty. Get ready to first. Connect for 1 point. Our score, 39-28 in favor of Wisdom. Yebangan sila. Lara now. Lara nag-isip na gagawin. Nagtangka sa tres. Short. Na rebound. Ni number. Wisdom basketball. You know number 6 now. Number 6 na tama ang bola. Number 6 nag-isip na gagawin. Pass estimate. Number 3 Mr. Vince. Pinasa number 10. Show his mid-range. You know, number 20 now, passes straight, number 1, Justin Dumawe. Wala, na-rebound ko number 15, Biguin, pinasa ka number 10. Eto na si number 10, lumipad, connect to the by number 10. Our score, 44 against 20 in favor of Wisdom. You know, number 20 now, calling for a play, number 20 now. Number 20, sinusubukan ng bantay, pinasa kay Lara. Lara now, nag-iisip ng gagawin, pinasa kay number 3 sa tres. Wala, na-rebound ni number 15, number 15 now, on the floor. Number 15, rumanga sa pass to number 3. Wala, number 4, kunag-produce by number 14, Mr. Gasha. Last 2 minutes. Here on number 20 now. Number 20 is slowly dribbling. Number 20 nila sa number 29 is still ako din number 20 now. Number 20 using his body. Wala. Number ni number 15. Pinasa ka number 10. Outlook pass to number 14. Loose ball. Here on number 1 now. Number 1. Number 1 nag-iisip ng gagawin. Number 1 lumusot. Number 1 pinasa ng Lara. Nagtanga sa tres. Wala ba yun? Naribol yung number 3. Pinasa ng number 50 now. Biguin. Nice pass to Mr. Gasha. Connect for the points by Mr. Gasha. Our score 28 against 40 in favor of Wisdom.
Bata, naglalaro.
Here now, number 10, Lumipad, connect for the points. Last 55 seconds. Last 50 seconds. Last 45 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds.
Okay, shot lang.
Last 15 seconds. Foul. By number 3. Holding down. Penalty. Connect for 1 point. Remaining time, last 12 seconds. No good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the end of our third quarter. Official score 51 against 20 in favor of Wisdom.
Tatlong game pa ako.
That's the ball game. Here now for our fourth quarter.
Malalaki ang pula.
Here now number 7. Pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to number 7. Short rebound by number 25. Here now number 1, pass to number 10, back to number 1. Pass to number 24, asik na ulaban, nagtaka-stress. Connect for 3 points! Here now number 7, pinasa number 17. Wala, naribang number 1. Outlet passes to number 91. Connect for 2 points by number 91. Here now number 27, pass for 3. This ball. Here now number 1, outlet pass. Now he's playing number 25. Pinasa number 27. Number 27, pass to number 7. Pass to number 27. Connect for 2 points by number 27. Here now number 24, pinasa number 10. Wala, na-rebound to number 16. Pass to number 27. Number 27, using his dribbling pass. He's still number 77. Short, rebound to number 24. Number 24 now. On the floor, pass to number 1. Back to number 24. Good for the points by number 21. This ball. Remaining time 8 minutes and 12 seconds before the end of the fourth quarter. Here now nothing. Napo now perimeter shot. Wala. Not even number 16. Pass to number 77. Outward pass to number 7. Using the board. Good for the points by number 7. Still by number 27. Number 27 now. Back on ngayon ni number 1. Number 27 ulit. Wala pa yan. Naribali number 7. Down by number 1. First personal down. Second team down. Number 7. Pass to number 27. Wala pa rin. Number 27. Ulit. Wala. Naribali number 16. Using the ball. Wala pa rin. Down by number Foul by number 7, pushing down. Second personal foul, first two foul, the win. Here on number 10, pass to number 24, Satres, voila. Not even number 10, nice to number 16, passes to number 25 now. Here on number 25, Mamadale, number 25, pass to number 27, good enough for 2 points by number 27. Our score, 58 against 34, in favor of Wisdom, number 91, good enough for 2 points. Here on number 27, ginamit ka ng mama, wala na rebound to number 1. Number 1 now. Number 1, pass to number 24. Sa ilalim ba lang number 24, good for the points. Here now, number 25 now. Number 25, Mamadale. Number 25, using the body. Foul. Foul by number 91. Second personal foul, second team foul, Wisdom. Here now number 77, pass to number 27, back to number 7, number 7, number 7, wala ba na number 25, good at 40 points by number 25. Our score, 62 against 36. Here on Apple, is still the number 27. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Cannot put the points by number 7. Here on number 1. Number 1 now. What a nice pass is doing back to number 1. Connection. Cannot put the points by number 1. 25. Outlet pass to number 7. Using the body number 7 now. Number 7 back to number 25. Number 25, foul. Foul by number 21. Third personal foul. 13th foul. Wisdom. First. Time out. Reserve time out. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Here on number 10. Good day for 3 points. Touchdown. The way.
Alan. Lan. May timer pa kayo sa. Alan. Wala kayo. Wala kayo. Dito time out. Dito time out. 67.
Back to the building. Remaining time, 1 minute and 23 seconds. Before the end of the final quarter. Official score, 67 against 38. In favor of Wisdom. Here on Mr. Lara. Pass to number 25, pass to number 20. Showing his range. Wala, na-rebound ni number 1. Number 1 now. Number 1, pass to Mr. Lokbang. Pass to number 3. Number 3 now on the floor. Not pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 3. Pass to number 1. Back to number 3. Looking for his range. Wala, na-rebound number 16. Pass to number 25. 25, umatake. Connect for 2 points by number 25. Our score, 67 against 40 in favor of Wisdom. Here on number 99, pass to number 1. Number 1 now, number 1 on the floor. Perimeter shot, connect for 2 points by number 1. Here now, Lara. Wala pa rin. Connect for 2 points by number 20. Number 6, wala pa rin. Here now, number 25 now. Number 25, pinakpan ng bantay. Good for the points by number 25. Here now, number 1, pass to number 10. Number 10 now, looking for his range. Short. Number 3, using the board, 10 for the points by number 3. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds before the end of our final quarter. Here number 16, 5-4-3, short.
Babay po, everyone.
Here now number 99, pass to number 1. Number 1 now. Pass to number 10. Select for 2 points, the number 1.
Sino siya, no? Si Christmas eh. Tumamlay lahat eh. May pinaglalaanan kasi yan, sir. Wala kasi naman eh. Wala kasi eh.
I got
Wala, sister.
Kami na lang ginagawa ng dahilan eh.
Score.
1 minute, 10.
Nakalive yun, sir. Nakalive po. Recording. Rest. Rest. Habol pa.
Kano mo from doon? Ha? Ako nga inuperan nun eh. Grabe mga pera. Ako nga inuperan nun. Lumilipad eh. Ayaw ko nga sana eh, kaya lang. Bro. Baka lang siya ng muna. Kukuha na siya bigla.
Okay.
Kumuha ng additional eh.